Wait, a question. Imagine a cruise ship floating calmly in the middle of the ocean, millions of tons of steel, an entire village could fit inside it. Now ask yourself, should it sink or float? Most people say it's so heavy it should sink, but they're wrong. It floats. The real question is, how? A small iron nail, which you can pick up with 2 fingers, goes plop and sinks. The same iron, a 1,000,000-ton ship, it floats. This is not magic, this is science, and this science was discovered by one man in his bathtub. In the ancient Greek city of Syracuse, there lived a mathematician, Archimedes. People said he is the king of science. One day, he went to a public bathhouse. There was a large tub filled with water. As he sat down in it, water began to spill over the sides. He noticed, the deeper his body went into the water, the more water flowed out. And then, a lightning bolt struck his mind. He jumped up and shouted, "Eureka! Eureka!" meaning, "I have found it!" They say he ran outside in such excitement that he forgot to put on his clothes. In today's language, he saw one simple observation and figured out the entire algorithm. He understood. The more water your body pushes aside, the harder the water pushes you back up. This is called buoyancy. In simple words, whenever something enters water, the water tries to lift it up. That's why you feel lighter in water, and the moment you come out, you suddenly feel heavy. But the real question is, why does something sink or float? People say, heavy things sink. Wrong. The real secret is density. Density, mass, volume. Meaning, how much stuff is packed into a given space. Iron nail, density 7.8. Water, density 1. The nail is denser. It sinks. But what if you take that same iron, spread it out and make it hollow? Then the volume increases, the density decreases, and that same thing will float. Let's do an experiment. Take some clay, make a solid ball. Drop it in water, it sinks. Now take the same clay, spread it into a thin sheet, and shape it into a small boat. The weight is exactly the same, but now it floats. Why? Because its average density has become lower. Now think about a ship. A cruise ship is made of steel, but it is not solid. It is hollow. What is inside? Air, and air has very low density. So when you calculate the average density of the entire ship, steel plus air plus everything else, the total density becomes lower than water. That is why the ship floats. But in 1912, the Titanic hit an iceberg. A hole was torn. Water rushed in. Air escaped. Density kept increasing. And at one moment, it became heavier than water, and it sank. A submarine plays the same game. Fill water. Density increases, goes down. Fill air. Density decreases, comes up. Just like your lungs. An egg sinks in plain water. Wood floats because it is filled with air, but if it soaks in water for a long time, water fills those air pockets, and even wood can sink. The whole game in one line. It's not about weight, it's about density. Increase the spread, decrease the density, float. Archimedes once said, "Give me a place to stand, and I will move the earth." But the real magic was this. He taught us that water also pushes back, we just cannot see it. Now the next time you step into water, or see a ship, remember this, it is not just floating, it is fighting the water every second, and winning. If you like stories like this, where hidden science comes out from ordinary things, then subscribe right now, because next time, we will understand something you see every day, but have never understood. Eureka!